So we have a nice little Friday night project going here. A couple days ago we were using the AC, came downstairs to find puddles of water everywhere on the basement floor. From my limited research, and I'm definitely no expert, main causes are the drain hose being plugged in some way or pinched or in an airlock at your drain, so it would be sitting in water and unable to continue draining. Our problem, after opening things up, we had a very dirty drain pan, which I cleaned out, and it was partially clogging the drain hole here, allowing only a limited amount of water to flow through the drain hose, building up and running down through the condenser coil. So we opened it up, got everything cleaned up, and a little more cleaning, we'll put it back together. For reference for anyone, it took me a while to figure out how to get the furnace open. You can see the side that opened up easily was the larger side panel here. You can see the other sides have a much smaller side panel. So the side with the larger one opened up easily. Before I put things away, I took off up top here, a cover on the top of the condenser coil. You can see on the inside here, this is completely filthy. We moved in here recently, and I'm glad it started leaking, so it gives me a chance to clean this up. I'm surprised any air at all was able to get through this. So we'll clean it all up, put it back together, and I'm going to hope the leak has stopped. Alright, we are back here after cleaning out the inside of the condenser coil. One more reason why a lot of these drip pans leak is there can be cracks in the pan, so make sure to look for that if you're having a leak. I did notice it looks like I do have a small drip leak under here. Need to maybe replace the drain hose. But if we take a look inside, where before was completely filthy, now is relatively clean, so it should help airflow through. You see a little pile down there of what I was able to take out, enough to knit a sweater, I think. And I kind of rolled it off like dryer lint, and then I was able to use the masonry brush to finish cleaning things up. And I put a paper in the bottom to catch all the debris so it wouldn't fall back in. So now we'll put it all back together and give it a try. Also, don't forget to clean out the bottoms of the drain pan down there. You can see where some of the debris fell from after cleaning. Get that cleaned up, or you can just end with another plug. Alright, so we flipped the air back on, everything's cleaned up, ready to go. You can already see the moisture. Just flipped it on about 1 minute ago. You can already see the moisture making its way down the condenser coil. Our drain is open and flowing. I replaced the old end piece with a nice new clear piece so I can see what's going on, make sure it's not plugged and the water's flowing down it. Have them joined together here. And looks like our leaks are all stopped. And our water's not building up yet. In the tray. See some of the particles from cleaning now washing their way down the tray there. So we're hoping that fixes our water problem.